Hello everybody, I'm KV and we have our official first teaser of Shang-Chi and the Legends of Ten Rings. I love that Marvel made this project because merging martial arts with big Marvel Cinematic Universe is so exciting and it is breath of fresh air for all the MCU fans. And it is very good thing that Marvel is expanding its universe by going in different countries and cultures and making movies and Disney Plus series on the various cultures that we have in this world. Let's break down the teaser of Shang-Chi and the Legends of Ten Rings frame by frame. But first, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon because this kind of videos take a lot of hard work to make. So please support me. Thank you so much. So Kevin Feige gave this statement that Shang-Chi movie is going to be Enter the Dragon of MCU and Shang-Chi is heavily referenced by Enter the Dragon. In the start of the teaser, we hear the voice of Shang-Chi's father and he says that he gave him 10 years to live his life and enjoy it. After 10 years, Shang-Chi has to come back where he belongs, and if Shang-Chi denies, then he has to face a lot of problems in his life. And in the beginning of the teaser, we can see how Shang-Chi spent his 10 years life full of freedom and enjoyment with his best friend Katie in US. And I think he is doing a job of car parking security in a 5-star hotel with Katie, and he does not want to reveal his true identity to the people of United States, but still he is doing a kick-ass training in his house. And in his past, when he was a kid, his father wanted to make him so tough, and his father gave this responsibility of making Shang-Chi tough to that dealer. And as per the teaser, I think Shang-Chi does not like his own trainer or guru, that dealer. And as per comics, Shang-Chi killed that dealer's dad, Yuli, and there was a constant hit between two in the comics. And as per Toy Leaks, the description for Death Dealer is the past that Shang-Chi never wants to face again. But he will have to face his dark past with Death Dealer as per some fight sequence in the teaser. And Shang-Chi was trained by the mysterious organization Ten Rings, and Shang-Chi wants to forget his past of Ten Rings and live in the present time with all the happiness he has in United States. And we can also see a child Shang-Chi also. As per rumors, Death Dealer's character will be played by Kelvin Chen. And Shang-Chi's father always wanted to show off his powers and control to the people, but Shang-Chi never liked this kind of mindsets, and that's why he left his home and came to live a peaceful life. But his father will send Razorfist to get Shang-Chi and get him back to China. And we can see Shang-Chi's and Razorfist fight in bus chase, and when he will be back to China, Shang-Chi will have to fight Razorfist again in the tournament, and Shang-Chi will also fight his own sister Zhang Li in the same tournament of Ten Rings. And they both siblings will have to meet their father Wing Hu as per this scene, and their father will show them their empire and the magic details that they have. And at the same time, Wing Hu will also give an explanation regarding what his origin is and how did he get the 10 rings, or should I say 10 bracelets, which have a tremendous power. And now we saw Wing Hu's past and his war in the ancient time of China, and there were many dragons and Chinese lions in the ancient war scene, which clearly indicates that history of Wang Hu is many years old in the MCU. And as per the comics, the dragon could be the great protector, and in this scene we see the Spider-Man Homecoming character sitting on the seat because at last it's all connected. And we also saw the real Mandarin with his 10 rings, and in the MCU 10 rings will be like bracelets that Shang-Chi will wear 5 in each hands. And the actions and fight scenes of the movies was so awesome. So that's everything which was in Shang-Chi's teaser. I'm so excited to see this movie and how will it connect to the MCU. So let me know your opinions in the comment section, and this kind of videos take a very long time and hard work to make. So please do give a like to the video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Keep supporting us. I'm KV signing off for today. Thank you so much.